Have you ever wondered how a voluntary real estate auction gets started? It happens when a creditor, like a bank, exercises their right based on collateral. For this to occur, a valid security interest, such as a mortgage, must exist on the property. The debt must be past its due date and unpaid. Then, the creditor listed in the property registry must file an application for a voluntary auction directly with the court, attaching documents that prove the debt and the security interest. The court reviews these documents for formal requirements and then issues a decision to commence the auction. From there, a court execution officer handles the process. Even after the auction starts, the debtor can stop it by paying off the debt. However, real estate disputes can get complicated, especially when multiple parties are involved or there are legal disagreements. The line between voluntary and compulsory auctions can blur, making a thorough legal review crucial. This is where a structured, detail-oriented approach becomes vital. When we at Law Office ASIN handle real estate disputes, we don't just look at the surface-level conflict. We examine the entire structure of the contract and the rights involved. Because we have expertise, including a licensed real estate agent's perspective, we can analyze how the contract was formed and what each party's rights truly are. This comprehensive view allows us to design a legal strategy that considers not just filing a lawsuit, but the practicalities of a successful outcome, like asset investigation and enforcement. We believe in handling every case as if it needs to be ready for court tomorrow. This means from the very first consultation, we are already building a strategy that covers all potential scenarios. Our process is designed so that the lawyer you consult with is the same one who handles your case directly, from investigation to litigation and enforcement, ensuring clear communication without going through office staff. This consistent, hands-on approach has been the foundation of our practice since 2014, allowing us to manage cases across the country with a focus on realistic, responsible solutions. Ultimately, whether it's a real estate dispute, a family matter, or a criminal case, the key is to look beyond the immediate problem and prepare for what comes next. It's about building a case on a solid foundation of facts and legal principles, not just emotional reactions or exaggerated promises. This commitment to providing comprehensive, realistic, and responsible legal support is the standard we uphold at Law Office ASIN.